umaga sa inyong lahat at nandito na naman ang Group 4! Ano pang hinihintay natin? Charles na!
Guys, do you know Jacques Alexander Charles?
No! Who is he?
He is a French scientist who discovered the relationship between the volume and temperature, at constant pressure, and how gases tend to expand when heated and contract when cold.
Guys, do you know what's Charles law? Oh! I think I know that one.
The Charles law states that if the temperature increases, the volume will increase.
Here's the materials that we need in our experiment.
Bottle, cold water,
One small balloon and 2 containers and hot water. Hot water.
Oh!
Galing ah!
Ganun.
Lagi nakakano.
Oh, yan. Hindi, ganyan lang yan.
Ay, ganun lang.
Oh, tapos lipat mo sa cold water. Lipat mo sa cold water.
Ano mangyayari?
Ano yan? Iipit. Parang magiging ano. Yan o. Oh! Nalantak.
Why does hot water evaporate faster than cold water? Although water can evaporate at low temperatures, the rate of evaporation increases as the temperature increases. This makes sense because at the higher temperatures, more molecules are moving faster. Therefore, it is more likely for a molecule to have enough energy to break away from liquid to become a gas.
How is the gas reduced when it is placed in cold water?
The molecules will be moving at the slower rate, and so it will start calming down and going back down.
Thus, the gas raising the bottle when it heats up. Charles. The gas law states that if you heat up gas and inside the bottle with some air, it takes up space and it's gas and it takes more space when it's heated. So when we heat the air inside the bottle, we will get an increase in the air pressure and the volume increases.
Hi guys, welcome to our vlog. For today's video, we're gonna make an experiment. In our bomba na. Meron medyo pinakabawa kung anong masisino. Lalo mo na eh! Hindi ako sinasabi mo eh!
Try natin. Charles na. Ay!
Ano ba? Okay na. Ay! Shit!
Mainit to!
Ano ko na? Ay, may basahin dyan. Ito.
Kinawad ko.
Kaya may... Mamaya masira pa. Bibili pa tayo.
Here's the materials that we need. Ulit. 1, 2, 3, go. Here's the materials that we need. Yun na yun? Dapat pala hawakan na ito na.